Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I'm so delighted that I'm coming back to do some training at Toledo REIA, and I would love to have you be there. In fact, I'd love to have you fill in this picture right here. Join the crowd. Let me talk about just a slice, a small piece of what I'm going to teach in the evening meeting. Let's just talk about banks. In fact, when I speak all over the nation, I take surveys sometimes, and I find out that 85% of the room is doing this. They're going to banks. So let's take a stark look at reality at what you're signing up for. Number one is you could lose some of the best deals because somebody comes along and buys it out from underneath you because they got all cash. Maybe they're using my system to do that. You don't want that to happen. You want to be able to get out there and compete with folks. You got to have money down. Mine bank wanted 20% down back when I was doing business with banks. You know, for some of you, that's a showstopper right there. That can be a wheelbarrow full of money. They charge points and loan fees, and granted they aren't high, but they're still eroding your profit base. They won't finance some unusual deals. I'll show you some of the deals I've done that they wouldn't have touched, but I made tens of thousands of dollars on, all because I had private money. They like monthly payments. Half of my deals are without monthly payments, and by the time I'm done with you, if you so desire, 100% of your deals could be without monthly payments. They take time. I wanted to buy a duplex. The place appraised okay, credit's okay. Took the bank 4.5 months to make up their mind. That's crazy. I could have lost that deal. Today, I can get an offer accepted on a Monday and own the property on a Friday. That's the way to do business. You got no relationship with the bank, but you think you do because you got somebody's name in their business card. I'm here to tell you, you got air. You got nothing because they can quit, retire, get laid off, get promoted. Or they'll change rules like they have on so many real estate investors, and myself included. Join me the 12th, June the 12th, Tuesday, for the evening meeting. Show up around 6 and get signed in, and you will love it. You will be amazed at what you're going to learn. Bring a pad and a pen, and you are going to love what I have to train on. Join me, and to your wealth.